T, Q60, yeah. Twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine in it, be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just drop it, whip, tell it, roll and pipe that. 7.6 story.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since I posted a video on the channel, and the reason why is that is because I'm wrapping the car right now, so that's why I haven't been like showing the outside of the car, the exterior and all of that, cause I don't want y'all to know the color yet, so that's why. But right now we're doing a POV. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned, man, for the rest of the video. We just started up, man, like after 3 days of not driving the car. So this is the first time I've been driving it in like 3 days. But comment down below if y'all haven't seen the color yet. Make sure you just leave a comment down below what color y'all think it's gonna be. These damn lights are long as shit, man. Damn day's hot, man. But we're still trying to get the content for y'all. I'm about to go hit up one of my boys real quick. My boy with the 330. The white one y'all been seeing in the videos, cause I'm gonna finish wrapping up the car, so y'all go get that video and see what color it be. But if y'all coming from IG, those of y'all that coming from IG, that color y'all see me post on IG, that's not the real color. So those of y'all that thinks that's the real color, nah, it's not. I just post that to like troll y'all, so yeah, so that's the only reason why I post that photo. I know some of y'all think that's the color, but nah. That turbo sounds good. I just started up, that's why. But also, I'm off to get my charge pipe custom made, because every time when I do a hard pull, it's pulling out from the coupler. I'm currently on E48 right now. I'm gonna put it up back to like probably E60, somewhere around here, E65. Guess them boys going to a meet. Man, if y'all enjoyed the little POV, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and peace. I'll get y'all in the next one. And make sure y'all stay tuned, look out for the new video to drop on the new wrap of the F10. Make sure y'all stay tuned and look out for that. It's gonna drop very soon. And peace. I'll get y'all in the next one.